fundamental rights are mentioned under which part? Part 3 of the Indian Constitution, Articles 12 to 35. Articles are actually important here. So before we begin our discussion, I need to clarify one point about rights. So rights are not some privileges, rights are your claims. Claims of people, claims of citizens against state. That's how you describe rights. Claims, or maybe you can call them entitlements. Okay, it does not depend on the goodwill of the government. You can claim all these things. That's the first point. Second thing, please understand, I'll draw this diagram to help you understand. Let's draw like this one. There are various rights that we have. As you are born, you have a right to breathe, right to move here and there. All these things are there with every human being. So we largely categorize those things as natural rights. But our point is to know or offer protection to certain rights. For that we have made laws to protect certain rights. Like we have this very grand law called the Constitution. We have some other laws also, like say RPA. We have a law called Industrial Disputes Act. We have various laws. Okay. Say RPA. RPA gives you the right to vote. Industrial Disputes Act gives you the right to strike. Right to strike. Okay. Now all these laws give you some rights. These rights are known as statutory or legal rights. Are we clear so far? No doubts? Okay. Now in the Constitution, you have various kinds of rights. For example, right to property, Article 300 capital A. Now, is Constitution a law? Yes or no? Is Constitution a law? No? Of course it's a law. It's the most fundamental law of the land. No? Constitution is the fundamental law of the land. It's also a law, the most basic law. So every right in the Constitution, can we not call it statutory right? Yes, but a better term would be calling it a constitutional right. So everything mentioned in the Constitution is called a constitutional right. You can also call it statutory or legal, but a better word is always what? Constitutional right. Now let's zoom into this. There is a small part which is known as part 3. Say right to life. Every right contained in this part, this area, this section of the Constitution is known as what? Can we call that constitutional? Yes or no? Yes. But a better way to describe it would be fundamental right. So now your diagram should look like this. You have all the legal rights. Now in these legal rights, you have all the constitutional rights, and within those rights you have all the fundamental rights. Please don't forget this. Right to life is a statutory right, yes or no? We can call it statutory, but a better way is calling it a fundamental right to showcase the importance that we give.